Hello dear students, welcome to social science class, chapter 2, latitude and longitude for class 5th, part 1. In this chapter, we are learning latitudes and longitudes and also how to calculate time and locate places on the earth. So these concepts we are learning today's class, chapter 2, latitude and longitude. See students, we can see here number of lines. We can see here number of lines that run from east to west, south to means north to south. These all lines runs away from that direction of east to west and north to south. So these are imaginary lines. So these lines are called imaginary lines. You know students, see here some lines are there, some horizontal lines are there here, okay. So these are, they move, means they run towards that, to run away from that, the direction of east to west. And some lines are there here, vertically, so these are run away from that, north to south. So these lines, we call that imaginary lines. These are the imaginary lines. And these imaginary lines help us to locate the places, means we find out the places here, means we locate the places correctly here on the map or a globe. And next here, so first I talk about here latitude. So first one is there here, latitude. Latitudes, see. Okay. See. Latitudes. Okay students, these are the latitude lines. See here students. So these are latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines. So these lines are, so it runs away from that horizontally. This runs away from that horizontally. It's moved towards the direction of east to west direction. These lines are moving here. So these are horizontal lines. So also these are imaginary lines. So these lines, imaginary line means latitude lines, so it's a move towards to the direction of east to west direction. And these lines are parallel in sides. See here, these all are parallel in sides. Okay. So these also called, latitudes are also called parallel latitude. So why we call that parallel latitudes? In here latitudes, the lines are lies between the parallelly, means these are the parallel lines. The latitudes also known as parallel latitude. The latitudes also known as parallel latitude. And also see here students, so it's some move towards from that the poles of east to west. So So here totally 181 lines are there in latitudes. 181 lines are there in latitudes. Understood? Okay. These all lines are measured in degrees. These latitude lines are measured in degrees that. But in latitude that the earth is divided by in two equal parts that. So it is a two equal parts. So that part is, that line is, we calling that equator. That is the equator. So equator we have mentioned here 0 degree latitude. Equator is a 0 degree latitude. And also the latitudes are divided into two halves. That is divided into two halves. So that part is, first part is about the part that is northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. And the below the part is southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Okay. See here. The earth is, means the equator is, so divided into two halves. It's divided into two hemispheres. So above the part northern hemisphere and below the part southern hemisphere. So these latitudes are measured in degrees. These latitudes are measured in degrees. And also see here mentioned that some poles that, so this pole is north and this pole is south and this one is east and west. So we have written here 90 degree N, means 90 degree north pole, and here 90 degree, yes, 90 degree south pole. And that like here, see here, 80 degree north, 70 degree north, 60 degree north, 50 degree north, 40 degree north, 30 degree north and 20 degree north, and afterwards 10 degree north, and lastly coming here 0 degree. 0 degree is the equator. And this, like we have mentioned here, south pole, how we read that? 90 degrees south, 80 degrees south, 70 degrees south, 60 degrees south, 50 degrees south and 40 degrees south, 30 degrees south, 20 degrees south and 10 degrees south, afterwards here 0 degree. So we have read this line. So these are the latitudes. Okay students, I hope today's class you all are understood. But what you have learnt in today's class? So you have learnt about imaginary lines. You have learnt in today's class imaginary lines. So these lines are there now here. This number of lines are there here. These number of lines run away from north to south, east to west. So these lines are called imaginary lines. These lines are called imaginary lines. So these lines help us to find out the location for very easily from map or globe. Maps or globes, we are very easily find out the places. And also we have learnt in today's class about latitude. Latitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines. They move from horizontally to the direction of east to west direction. Here, these all lines are lies in between that parallel lines. These parallel lines also called parallel latitude. These lines are also called parallel latitude. And so these means there are totally in latitudes are represented here 181 lines. 181 lines are presented in latitudes. And the earth is divided into two parts that. So that middle line, see here, this middle line is divided into earth is two parts. So that middle line we call that equator. That middle line is what? Equator. So equator is here 0 degree. So that equator is divided into two hemispheres. The equator is divided into two hemispheres. So above the part is northern hemisphere and below the part is southern hemisphere. And see here, so these lines, these all latitudes are measured in degrees. So have you read that? Have you mentioned 90 degree N, 90 degree south. N degree N. N is the north pole and S is the south pole. And E is the east pole and W is the west pole. So this like we have mentioned here these all poles. Okay students. So here till these all latitudes means above latitudes you have learnt in today's class. So you draw it correctly these all pictures and write it correct points in your notebook. And afterwards, after completion of your homework, you send it my WhatsApp number. So next session, next period, I am continuing in next class. Thank you.